Hey everybody, this is Vinny from Bayset. I opened 8 packs of Dragon's Exalted yesterday, and I got 9 more today, so I'm just going to get right into them. Let me just adjust the camera really quick. I bought 10 packs and got tired of waiting for the video. Need to wait for the store to be empty. And I opened it, I got a slacking hollow, which is nice. So, let's go through this now. Got Roselia, Houndor, Spheal, sorry, my phone fell, Gothita, Mareep, Bibarel, De-Evolution Spray, Whelmer, got a reverse slacking, which is really cool. Like also. Found it interesting that they changed the art on that. I'd rather if it was pointing towards us like it isn't, but still pretty nice card. Okay, next pack. Really hoping for another EX. Hopefully Mew. Okay, we got Murkrow, Yanma, Apom, Electric, Stunky, Giant Cape, Blend Energy, Lairon, Mareep Reverse, Gigalith Hollow. That's a nice hollow. Since the set just came out, I don't mind getting random hollows, but it'd be nice to get some EXs. Okay, third pack. Got Golett, Electric, Dino, Baltoy, Bidoof, Rescue Scarf, Cascoon, Skiploom, Tool Scrap Reverse, it's pretty cool. Ninetales Hollow, very awesome. Really like that Ninetales card, it's really good. Works really good with the Evolution Spray. And that, I can't remember the mushroom Pokemon's name right now. Okay, so we have Mareep, Nosepass, Feebas, Cubone, Gothita, the Good Goodbite, Rescue Scarf, Emolga. Very happy about that. Hydreigon Reverse and Drifloon. That Hydreigon's really good. Even though no EXs so far, got some seriously good pulls. So an EX or a shiny would just top it off. Okay, got Yanma, Nosepass, Trubbish, Magmar, Aeron, Rescue Scarf, Emolga, Stunfisk. Our reverse is a Blend Energy and a Beautifly. It's nice. Haven't gotten that rare yet. Okay, Hacktrick. Okay, Trubbish, Drifloon, Roselia, Magmar, Fungus, Sock, Aldino, Durant, Bibarel Reverse, Roserade, another card I haven't gotten yet, it's also cool. Okay, Drifloon, Stunky, Roggenrola,